Hi, I'm Scott, and this is going to be my competition project for coding.
Mm-hmm.
And what we have here are all of this is just an if-else statement where you tell or you have it's like
Yes, I
a
got it.
robot where you just input something, input an answer, and the robot responds to it. This is basically what we have here. So it says that visitor equals input. Do you want to talk to name plus fname? And then if visitor equals yes, visitor name equals who are you?
Great. Okay. So scroll down to the code. Let us see how does that look. Okay. Now Scott, try to run your project and show us the output. How does your robot work?
So if I say yes, then you will get this question, and it will ask you who are you, and you can just say your name. For example, you can be like Bob or something, and then it will ask you where you're from, and then you just say where you're from. For example, I'll just say China, and then you say your age, and then depending on your age, let's say you put 14, it says wow, same, because my age is 14.
That's cool.
If you say something else, if you say a different age, you'll get a different result. And then, would you like to know about me? And if you say yes, and then this is what you get.
So tell us about your dream. What do you want to be?
I just want to make video games, and this is the first step to just learn the basics and
Yes, that's cool.
animate.
That's cool. All right, great job, Scott. And I'm gonna stop the recording and I'm gonna send that for the review. Thank you, Scott, for submitting the competition project. Great work. I liked it.